me pop again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it rip, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it rip, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and I'm back with another video. And no, it's not about my hair, it's about my nails. And y'all know I'm really into nails and stuff, so I have a cool nail company to share with you today. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. All right, in my possession, I have a bento box from Luxxi Press-On Nails. So this is how it comes. You can go to Luxxi.com and you can order this same exact box. You get to choose 4 different nail styles, and they have some really cute ones. And y'all know ever since Miss Rona, everybody's been doing their own nails. So this is how the box comes, and a thank you card. And here is the box. So get ready to be obsessed. So I was able to pick out my own nails. As you can see, I went with all like mostly nude-ish and white. So I'm in a wedding this weekend. I know y'all probably gonna hear me saying that. So I had actually made some nails, but I decided to go with nude because that's what the bride wants. And then also I have the revitalizing cuticle oil here, and then a set of rings, which I thought was really cute. So you all know bento boxes, you know, come in sections, so that's why I call it the bento. Okay, so in this box is the dazzling ring set and the Mina ring set. There's 2 sets of rings in here. There we go. Baby stiletto, medium stiletto nails in white. And then these are the same nails in nude. And then we have latte and bougie in coffin. I don't know which one's which, but these are latte and bougie. So this one has like an airbrush effect with, there's like some white around some of the nails. As I was saying, these are not just nails, it's a whole manicure kit. So you open the box and it comes with, you have 20 nails. I'll just hold it back here. You have 20 nails. You have a nail file, cuticle pusher, nail glue, as well as alcohol wipe, you know, to clean your nails. And back here is nail tabs. Each kit comes with that, which I think is dope. Now the decision I have to make now is what set of nails I would like to wear. And I think I'm gonna jazz them up a little bit because I do have some rhinestones and some like nail stuff. I might add a little razzle dazzle. All right, y'all, I picked a set. It's these that I don't know the name of. I'm gonna look it up on the website and I'll put the name on the screen. So this is everything that comes in the kit. I'm actually going to just give myself a little quick manicure just to clean off my nail bed. I'm just taking a little bit of, this is acetone. Take a little bit of soak off. I think I have some nail glue on my nails. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my little hand drill that I got from Walmart. I'll link it in the description box, and I'm just gonna clean up my nail beds and stuff. All right, y'all, I have my nails all filed down. I already went through and sized everything. I had to switch to my phone because my camera battery died. I do want to jazz them up a little bit. I do have this nail foil, but I think I'm just gonna do some stones on the ring finger. So if you have seen my making my own press-on nail video, then you've seen the products that I use. I finally got the Loctite super glue that's more gel and controlled nozzle. So I'm just using that glue to place them on the nails. I'm not really going into the details of the design because at this point my DSLR camera had died and I'm using my phone, so I'm trying to hold my phone and design these nails to show you all. But I'm just placing the stones on the nail using that wax tip stone picker upper. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah, I'll show you the full design of the nails once we get to the end because this process got tedious for me. Now on to the part why y'all came here. So this is how I apply my nails. I learned this technique from JaLynn. I like to apply a coat of nail hardener on my nails, one as a protection, and also it's healthy so that my nails can remain and stay strong even while I have these press-ons on. This one is from Sally Henson. I think it's called Hard as Nails. You can get this from Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, wherever. And here are the instructions that Luxxi gives you on the back of the box on how to apply their nails. It's really a simple process. You just want to make sure that your nails are clean, shaped, and there's nothing on the nail bed. Now for me, when I apply nails, I like to use the nail tabs and the nail glue. And luckily, Luxxi gives you both of those with each set of nails that you purchase from them. So you can choose to use the nail tabs, which will allow you to wear your nails probably for a shorter amount of time, from a few days to a week, but I like to use the nail glue. Now the nail glue, you can get a longer time, and I've done that before, and you can wear your nails for about 2 weeks. Well, I am using both the nail tabs and the nail glue. So what you see me doing here is taking the nail tabs off and placing them on my fingers before I even apply the nails to my fingers. And I like to use the nail glue and the nail tabs because this helps my nails to last so much longer. As I'm recording this voiceover, I'm coming up on 3 weeks of wearing these nails, and only one has popped off, and that was because I was taking my daughter out of her car seat and pressed the release button for the latch, and my nail got caught and it popped off. But I just glued it back on, but since then it has not come off. These nails are thebomb.com. Have been so durable. The only thing I had to do was last night I went through and reshaped them to get that coffin shape back, because after wearing them, the shape tends to get lost. They have become a little rounded out, but I just got my nail file, squared the top of it, filed the sides, and I'm back in business. And these nail tabs can be tricky. You just have to take your time. They're not going to fit perfectly on your hand. So what I try to do is to place them in the centermost part of my nail so that the nail can adhere the strongest in that center part, because a lot of times that's where it will tend to pop off and you can get bubbles and gaps, and then water and things can get underneath your nail, which can cause it to come off, which you don't want to happen. And it is suggested when you use the tabs or the nail glue, keep your hands dry for the first few hours. Now all I'm doing is applying glue right on top of my nail and the nail tab where my nail bed is, and then also in the actual press on, and then holding my nail down for 10 seconds. It's really that easy. And this nail glue that Luxxi has is amazing. It is so good. One of the best glues I've seen that come with, you know, drugstore press-on nails, not custom. So as you can see, I added a little bit of razzle dazzle with my rhinestones, and I did add some chrome powder to the pinky nail just for something fun, add a little bit of spice. And this is the last nail going on. I will say that these sizes worked very well. Sometimes with press-on nails, especially the ones from, you know, the store, drugstore that are not custom fit to you, you can't always find the exact size, but these worked really well. And Luxxi also sends you the cuticle oil in the bento box, which I love it in this little pin. I actually threw this in my purse to take with me to keep my cuticles and nails moisturized and looking healthy. So all I did was brush it onto my cuticles around the perimeter of my nails and massaged it in, and I was ready to go. I looked like I just left the salon, or I ordered some custom press-on nails. And that's what I liked about Luxxi, is that I can customize these nails and add something to them to make them my own, or I could just wear them the way that they come and still look fly. Quick and easy manicure nail design on a budget. You can get this done for $14. All right, y'all, that is my nail care and application featuring Luxxi nails. As y'all can see, I added a little bit of razzle dazzle, okay? You know, gotta be a little bit extra, but I love these. They fit on seamlessly. I think because it's natural, and usually I get like colorful nails, so these just y'all see I'm talking with my hands. These just go with the flow. I'm here for it. These are cute. Nails done, ready. But I will have all the information below in the description box, and I'm definitely going to take my nail glue and the extra nails with me just in case one pops off or gets lost, because that's what happens with press-on nails. They might come off. They're not meant to be, you know, handled roughly. So happened to me on my wedding day. One of my press-ons popped off and I lost it. It happens. But that's why I use glue and tabs. You can definitely get 2 weeks out of this. But I'm going to keep these nails with me and my glue just in case. But again, if you're interested in purchasing anything from Luxxi Nails, I will put all the information below in the description box. That is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
All right, they asking for the queen. Look back while I turn. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.